This story begins in a small town in Maine. This is a farming place, so many migrant families move to this area for work. It is a beautiful day, and this young girl's name is Lily. Lily has lived in Maine her whole life. This is her dog named Lucky. Lucky and Lily are playing in the grass. Suddenly, Lucky jumps over the fence and runs away from Lily. She runs through the blueberry pastures where many migrant families work. This is Salma. She is part of a migrant family. She rescues the puppy and the puppy runs to her. Lily is so glad that Salma was able to save her dog Lucky. In fact, the two girls begin to talk a lot, and they end up being very good friends. Lily begins to wonder if maybe she could solve the problem of her dog running away. You see, Lucky cannot hear very well at all and could use an operation to fix her hearing. Lily thinks she can make bee houses to sell to raise money for Lucky's hearing operation. Thanks to Salma's artistic abilities, her bee houses are a success. Lily wonders if she'll ever be able to repay Salma. You see, Salma is very poor and could use money, so she thinks maybe she could be queen in the local pageant and she would win money. This young girl's name is Hannah, and she is from Maine just like Lily. She also wants to be queen of the beauty pageant. Is this fair for the two girls to compete against each other, even though one is not from Maine? And who will win? This book is named A Handful of Stars by author Cynthia Lloyd. This is a must-read for elementary schools.